Before we start, just a few really quick notes. Please remember to subscribe to our channel. We have many new reviews coming this year on some really cool products and how-to videos. And lastly, please visit our website, reviewcentralnow.com. Today, in this short video, we are going to show you how to fix almost any issue with your Amazon Fire Stick. We will cover three main areas. First, applications that won't work. The Fire Stick itself is actually not working or behaving erratically. And lastly, the remote is not working. We also have some links down in our description box for the best deals on new streaming devices and replacement remotes in the unlikely event that our fixes do not work for you. So let's get started. First, with applications that don't work. Okay, if you have an application that's not working, this works almost 100% of the time. Go up to the top and go to Settings. Okay, when you're in Settings, go down to Applications. Enter your code, if you have one. And then basically go down to Manage Installed Applications. Find the application that's not working. For instance, let's say the ABC app. Okay, click on that. Go over to Force Stop. Then go down to Clear Cache. And then just go ahead and run the application again, either from here or you can run it from the home menu, and the application should work fine. Okay, now we're going to cover if the Fire Stick is not working at all or working slow or erratically. You basically want to perform a reset. Hold down the Select button, that's the big round button on the Fire Stick remote, and the Pause Play button at the same time. Hold them down maybe for about 5 seconds, and then the Fire Stick will start to reboot. And when it comes back up, after a minute or two, it will basically, everything should be set and your Fire Stick should work great. I also recommend going into your settings menu and going into the network area and checking your Wi-Fi or network connection. It should say signal strength at least good. Also, there's an excellent, that would be great, but a minimum good. If it says fair, like you see here, you're usually going to have problems watching movies or the overall behavior of the Fire Stick. So try to move your Fire Stick in a slightly different position, and that usually will get you a better signal. There are two methods for fixing the Fire Stick remote if it's not working. If none of the buttons on your Fire Stick are working, the first method will usually take care of this issue. Undo the back cover on the Fire Stick, pop out one of the batteries, wait a second or two, pop the battery back in, close the Fire Stick, wait a second or two, and your Fire Stick should start working again. If the first method did not get your Fire Stick working again, then try the second method. Press and hold the home button for at least 10 seconds. After that, release it, wait a few seconds, and your remote should be working again. In the unlikely event that both these methods do not fix your remote, you can try replacing both batteries in the remote with fresh ones. You can also order a new replacement remote. We put the links below in our description box for that. Thank you. That concludes our video on how to fix the Amazon Fire TV Stick. Please visit our website at reviewcentralnow.com for more reviews and how-to videos. And please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.